Hello there mateys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys did not know, I am an esthetician at Terra Spa Roanoke and we're located in San Antonio, Texas. I do all the medical facials to lash extensions to body wraps to waxing, of course. And I really like waxing. It's so fun and easy and so therapeutic. So I hope this video is very therapeutic for you. And don't forget to subscribe down below for weekly videos.
Mm-hmm.
Does she like it?
Mm-hmm.
How long does it take her to edit all the photos?
Depends on how many. Like we went through, she did over 1,200 photos on Friday. And we went through all of them within like an hour.
Ooh, pretty tattoos.
That's my bingo card for my grandma.
That is awesome. That is so cool. So I flip the spoon and use the other side. By the way, these cotton things, they're not that great.
Wow.
So is this your first time getting body wax?
Yes.
And it makes the hair so much brighter and smoother.
Nice. It's my first time getting my legs done.
Nice. Doesn't hurt, right? Feels like tape. That's the best way to describe it.
Like you're yanking off a really long band-aid.
You should press it all in.
Why touch it?
So the pain.
Oh, okay.
Helps with the pain.
I've had 2 kids, so it's not really all that. Not all that painful. Wow. I'm a hairy bitch.
Ew, I like that other tattoo with the film.
That was for an ex-girlfriend.
That's cool.
She wanted to be in a director.
That's awesome. Turn your leg in with this one.
Oh, you're gonna wax my grandpa.
You can be bright. And it's normal to see red bumps come up. That's just because your hair follicle's shocked and it's just like, whoa.
Okay.
So it's normal if you see red dots coming up.
Bye, Grandpa. I love you. It's gonna hurt. She gonna wax your whole head, nigga. She gonna wax your whole head.
So what I'm doing for you is a half leg.
Okay.
And then up is full leg.
Gotcha.
Oh my gosh, short. You can see them.
Mm-hmm.
See these normal.
I swear if any of my exes see this video, they're gonna be like, yep, that's done.
That's her.
All these tattoos.
Bye.